Namaste, good morning students. So today's topic is assessment of learning as learning and for learning. We will make difference between the about the three terms. First, assessment of learning. The purpose of this kind of assessment is usually summative and is mostly done at the end of a task, unit or work, etc. It is designed to provide evidence of achievement to parents, other educators, the students themselves, and sometimes to outside groups, for example, employer, other education institutions. Above. So, assessment of learning is the assessment that becomes public and result in statements or symbols about how well students are learning. It often contributes to pivotal decisions that will affect students' futures. It is important then that the underlying logic and measurement of assessment of learning be credible and defensible. Now, this point, the teacher's role in assessment of learning. The teachers have the responsibility of reporting student learning accurately and fairly based on evidence obtained from a variety of contexts and applications. Effective assessment of learning requires that teachers provide are following as a rationale for undertaking a particular assessment of learning at a particular point of time, clear description of the intended learning processes that make it possible for students to demonstrate their competence and skill. Now, teachers' roles in assessment of learning. In that next point, a range of alternative mechanism for assessment of same outcomes, public and defensible reference points for making judgments, transparent approaches to interpretation, description of the assessment process, strategies for recourse in the event of disagreement about the decision. Now, reflections that think about an example assessment of learning in your own teaching and how does it match with the points listed above. So, students, to solve this question and think about that. Now, next term is assessment for learning. The emphasis shift from summative to formative assessment in assessment for learning. Assessment for learning happens during the learning, often more than once rather than at the end. Students understands exactly what they are to learn, what is expected of them, and are given feedback and advice on how to improve their work. In assessment of for learning, teachers use assessment as an investigational tool to find out as much as they can about what their students know and can do, and what confusion, preconception, or gaps they might have. The wide variety of information that teachers collect about students' learning processes provide the basis of for in determining what they need to do text to move student learning forward. It provides the basis for providing descriptive feedback for students and deciding on groupings, instruction strategies, and resources. Now, the teacher's role in the assessment for learning. Assessment for learning occurs throughout the learning process. It is interactive with teachers, allowing instruction, identifying particular learning needs for students or groups, selecting and adapting materials and resources, creating differentiated teaching strategies and learning opportunities for helping individual students move forward in their learning, providing immediate feedback and direction to students. Now, in next, teachers also use assessment for learning to enhance students' motivation and commitment to learning. When teachers commit to learning as the focus of assessment, they change the classroom culture to one of student success. Now, reflection is there. Think about when you use assessment for learning in your classroom. Is the kind of feedback you provide to students furthering their learning? Look at the curriculum corporation examples of feedback and decide which one you think are assessing for learning. Third term is your assessment as learning. It means that through this process, students are able to learn about themselves as learners and become aware of how they learn, become mega cognitive knowledge of one's own thought processes. Students reflect on their work on a regular basis, usually through self and peer assessment, and decide often with the help of teacher, particularly in the early stage. So assessment of learning helps students to take more responsibility for their own learning and monitoring future directions. So assessment of learning as monitoring metacognition, what there are few questions that like what do I know about this topic, what is the purpose of learning these concepts and skills, and what strategy do we should know that will help us to learn. Now, teachers' role in assessment and learning, as the teacher's role in promoting the development of independent learners through assessment as learning is to model and teach the skills of self-assessment, guide students in setting their own goals and monitoring their progress toward them, provide examples and model of good practice and quality work that reflect curriculum outcomes, work with students to develop clear criteria of good practice, guide students in developing internal feedback or self-monitoring mechanism, or validate and questions their own thinking and to become comfortable with ambiguity and uncertainty that is inevitable in learning anything. So monitor students make a cognitive process as well as their learning and provide descriptive feedback. Create an environment where it is safe for students to take chance and where support is readily available. So there are some feedback about assessment of learning. Complex skills such as monitoring, self-regulation become routine only when there is constant feedback and practice using the skills. Effective feedback challenges ideas, introduce additional information, offer alternative interpretations, and create conditions for self-reflection, review of ideas. If all feedback does is provide it direction for what students need to do, that is, the feedback doesn't refer to students' own roles in moving forward to the next learning. They will preparedly ask questions like is this right, is this what you want, like option. It provides them with ideas for adjusting their thinking and articulating and their understanding, which will lead to another round of feedback and another extension of learning. So thank you,